Want to know how to make the perfect fried chicken that's both crispy and juicy? Here are my top tips. First up, I like to start with a whole chicken and break it down into 10 pieces. Not only does this save you money, but it gives you a variety of pieces. Next up, I mix together a flavorful spiced buttermilk brine. This will tenderize, infuse flavor, and help moisten the chicken. Save a half a cup for the batter, and the rest goes right into the container with the chicken. While it typically takes 4 to 24 hours to infuse, using a seasoned seal vacuum sealer cuts the time in half. Simply place the vacuum on top, press it on, and it'll release when it's done so you get the same results quicker. Now the key to the batter is adding in a splash of vodka. This will evaporate faster, create larger bubbles, and render the crispiest crust. Next, begin preheating the veg oil and then break out some brown paper lunch bags because that is the perfect way to evenly coat the chicken in a seasoned flour and cornstarch mix. When you're ready to go, grab the chicken from the fridge, then pat the chicken dry, dip it in the batter, and drop it in the bag one at a time and shake it on up. When the oil hits 325 degrees, begin frying in batches of white and dark meat for 10 to 13 minutes, then crank the heat up to 350 and fry it for a second time for 3 minutes to seal in the chicken and prevent sogginess. Once it's done, hit it with flaky salt and give it a few minutes to cool before you dig right on in. Giving KFC a run for their money.